Welcome to Math with Mr. Strands. This is Matthew C. Zeta. We're going to go over lesson 10, but we're going to do 10b this time, talking about multiplying decimals. Okay. They tried to teach you in two different ways. I'm not a big fan of this way. Okay. I'm not really sure what they're trying to show you there. So I'm going to show you the old-fashioned way, which I think is the best way. So let's dive in. Number one, we got 3.4 times 0.94. So I'm just going to go ahead and multiply the old-fashioned way. We got 4 times 4 is 16. Carrier 1, 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Okay, remember you need a placeholder if you have more than one digit. 9 times 4 is 36. 3 up there, 9 times 3 is 27, plus 3 is 30. I'm going to add up these numbers here. 6, 9, 1, 3. And now you have to count how many decimal places you need to move over. So you start from the right and go to the left. So on 3.4, we moved over one spot, right? And on 0.94, there are two spots. So 3 spots altogether. So I need to move over on my answer 1, 2, 3 spots. So it's going to be 3.196. Okay, let's look at number 2. We got 0.73 times 0.48. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 2 is 58. Placeholder, 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 1 is 29. Add these together, you get 4, 10, carrier 1. It's going to be 15 and 3. Again, on this one, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, not 3. You're going to have 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. So your decimal is going to go out front right there. Okay, let's look at number 3. We got 33 and then 0.42. Okay, so 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Placeholder, 4 times 3 is 12. 12 and then 13. So add these numbers up. I'm going to have just 2 decimal places this time. So 1, 2, 1, 2, right there in the middle, 13.86. Let's look at number 4, 5.19 times 0.81. So 1 times 9 is 9, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 5 is 5. Placeholder, 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 7 is 15. And then that's 40, plus 1 would be 41. Add these numbers up, we get 9, 3, 10, carrier 1, which make that 2, and then a 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places, so we got to go over 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4.2039. And then number 5, 9.6 times 0.9, so 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 9 is 81. Plus 5 would be 86. Okay, there's a 0 out front, so you don't have to do that one. We have 2 decimal places, so 8.64. Okay, let's keep going. Number 6, 0.64 times 0.94. 4 times 4 is 16. That's 24, plus 1 would be 25. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 6 is 54, plus 3 would be 57. Add these up. 6, 11, that'd be 9, 10. Okay, and I have 4 decimal places, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, number 7, 116 times 0.02. So 2 times 6 would be 12. That's 2, 3, and then 2. I don't have to do the other zeros because they're just going to equal all 0. All right, so I'm going to add these up. I got 2 decimal places, and that's it. So 2.32. All right, number 8. 5 times 8 is 40. That'd be 5, 9, and then 35. I'm going to have, again, 4 decimal places, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to move it over 4 spots. Okay, now we're going to get into some word problems. Donald uses 0.15 ounces of chocolate in each of his candy bars he makes. He plans to make 100 candy bars. Okay, how many ounces? So we got 100 times 0.15. Okay. When you're multiplying by hundreds or thousands, all you have to do is just, so I got the 0.5. I'm going to add my 2 zeros. Okay. Now you see it's just 2 decimal places though. So I need to move my decimal back over 2 spots. So it's going to be 15 ounces. All right. And last one, number 10. Donna gave 0.33 grams of medicine to each patient. She treated 45 patients. How many grams in all? Okay, so you got 0.33 times 45 patients. Okay, 5 times 3 is 15. It's 15, 16. Placeholder would be 12, 13. Okay, so we got 5, 8, 4, 1. 2 decimal places, so 14.85 grams. All right, that is Matthew C. Zeta, lesson 10, 10B. I will see you next time.